Narcan, also called naloxone, is a medicine that can quickly help someone who is overdosed on opioids. Narcan is available as a nasal spray at a pharmacy without a prescription. Easy to carry and use, and safe to give anyone who may have overdosed. It takes just a few seconds to use Narcan. Here's what to do. First, try to wake the person by shaking them and yelling. Next, lay them down flat and tilt the head up. Shout for help and have someone call 911. Hold the Narcan spray with your thumb at the bottom of the plunger and your fingers on the sides of the nozzle. Each device has only one dose in it, so don't do a test spray. Put the tip of the spray into either nostril until your finger touches the nose. Push the plunger firmly, then remove. If nothing changes, give another dose every 2 to 3 minutes if available. You may need to start CPR. Stay with the person until help arrives, even if they wake up and seem better. Always keeping Narcan on hand and knowing how to use it in an emergency can save lives.